Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to make keto chocolate chip cookies, and if you're like me, you love desserts. But this year I'm trying to eat healthier, so I found this excellent recipe, and you can have these guilt-free at under 90 calories each. Let's get into it. Is it delicious? Today we're making almond flour keto chocolate chip cookies. These are not only a healthier option, but also incredibly tasty, so you won't feel like you're missing out on anything. Now I have a confession. I absolutely love sweets, but I've been on a journey to eat healthier and cut back on carbs. These cookies allow me to indulge without the guilt. These cookies are a great alternative for anyone watching their carb intake. Almond flour adds a nutty flavor and a dose of healthy fats, making these a guilt-free pleasure. If you have any keto-friendly recipes you'd like to share, or if you've tried any delicious variations of these cookies, we would love to hear from you in the comments below. Let's inspire each other on this journey to healthier, happier eating. After a short baking time, our keto chocolate chip cookies are ready. Let's give them a try. As we take a bite, you can see that you don't have to sacrifice taste to eat healthier. These cookies are proof that you can indulge in a sweet treat while staying on track with your health goals. Alright, you ready to try these? You want cheers? Cheers. You gonna take the small one?
You take the big one.
Alright, sounds good. That's really good. Wow. So, come here. Come here.
Cookie.
Yeah. Why don't you try Daddy's cookie? I'll get you one in a second. What do you think? Very good?
Daddy, I like cookies.
Very good.
Yeah, they're big.
Stella, do you want another cookie?
Can I have another cookie and more milk? A little bit of more milk, Dad. How can you reach? You're so cool, Dad. I want the small one. You're right. It is good. I love cookies. I love cookies. Daddy, it's Indulge.
I'm glad you like it. Thanks for joining me on the journey to healthier treats. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy baking. Next time we're going to make a chocolate mousse.